Advent of Modern Physics, Unit 17, Physics, Class 12. Question 1. The internal frame of a pendulum, the time period is measured to be 3 seconds. What will be the period of the pendulum for an observer moving at a speed of with respect to the pendulum? Answer 9.6. Question 2. What will be the length of a bar in the stationary frame if its length along the direction is 1 meter and the motion is with a velocity with respect to the observer at rest? Answer 0.66 meter. Question 3. Given find the total energy of an electron moving with the speed. Answer 0.970 mega electron volt. Question 4. If the total energy of a proton is 3 times its race energy, what is the speed of the protons? Answer 0.95. Question 5. What will be the work function of a substance for threshold frequency of? Answer 1.82 electron volt. Question 6. Who is considered the father of modern physics? Answer Albert Einstein. Question 7. The theory of relativity consists of special and general relativity. Question 8. Max Planck is known as the founder of answer quantum theory. Question 9. What did the Michelson-Morley experiment disprove? Answer ether theory. Question 10. The photoelectric effect provided evidence for answer particle nature of light. Question 11. Who proposed the uncertainty principles? Answer Werner Heisenberg. Question 12. What is the smallest unit of energy called? Answer quantum. Question 13. Who developed the first quantum mechanical model of the atom? Answer Niels Bohr. Question 14. The dual nature of light refers to? Answer both wave and particle nature. Question 15. What experiment demonstrated the wave nature of electrons? Answer double slit experiment. Question 16. Which concept explain time dilation? Answer special relativity. Question 17. The general theory of relativity explain? Answer gravity as a curvature of space-time. Question 18. What is the Schrödinger's famous thought experiment? Answer cat in a box. Question 19. Who proposed the idea of quanta? Answer Max Planck. Question 20. What is the name of the smallest unit of matter? Answer quark. Question 21. What force holds proton and neutrons together in the nucleus? Answer strong nuclear force. Question 22. Which theory describes the behavior of particles at very small scale? Answer quantum mechanics. Question 23. Which scientist first discovered the electrons? Answer J.J. Thomson. Question 24. The Higgs boson is also known as? Answer God particle. Question 25. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? Answer meter per second. Question 26. Which phenomenon provides light bend in gravity? Answer gravitational lensing. Question 27. What is the fundamental equation of quantum mechanics? Answer Schrödinger equation. Question 28. What is the antimatter? Answer matter with opposite charge. Question 29. What are photons? Answer particles of energy. Question 30. What holds protons and neutrons? Answer nuclear